All right, guys. Good afternoon. All right. Can you guys see my screen here? Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Okay. Now, the reason I'm having this class is because when I try to arrange the classes, I think we need a class on proposal defense first for might. Of course, you went through the first chapter. Okay, you went through the seminar by Dr. Hafiza, the first chapter and proposal defense. That is okay. That is okay. But this one is especially for you for might. There are some classes I arrange for might only. Other student no need to join, and there are classes that you no need to join. Later I'll tell you. I will inform you time to time which class you need to join, which class you no need to join. Okay. All right. Now, first of all, I will share this proposal. I have updated little bit on this thing. Okay. Now I will share this proposal later. Let me explain to you first. You need to prepare two things for your presentation, for title presentation. Of course, title presentation, there's no mark, no grading, and you need to prepare two things for you to proceed with seminar PSM 1. The first thing is draft of proposal defense PSM 1. Okay. Now for this one, you will write your name, okay, and your metric number and your supervisor's number here, and the title. Okay, this is my previous student proposal, the future of metaverse of education. Okay, that is the title of my previous student. You will write the introduction here or research background. Okay, regarding your title, you will write here the overall picture of your technology and also the domain. I call this as technology. Metaverse is the technology. I suppose each one of you already have your title. Once you discuss with your supervisor, you have to discuss with your supervisor. You need a title, a technology. Here metaverse is the technology and education is the domain, I call it. Okay, where you want to apply your technology. And then for problem statement here, I will share this later. One of the method for you to write the problem statement, you can discuss with your supervisor, but one of the method is, in this case, metaverse is the technology. Okay, so you will write advantages first. Okay, you can see metaverse has a lot of advantages to the education. The first advantage, blah blah blah, and then you write the whole advantage, 2 or 3 advantage in the first paragraph here, and then you also will write some drawbacks or some disadvantages of the technology. Although metaverse in education has numerous benefits, it also has certain disadvantages. The first disadvantage of metaverse is digital technologies and equipments are needed. So this is something like a negative part. Okay, disadvantage, and this is something like a positive part. Okay, so the technology you are going to use, has some good thing, some benefit and some bad thing. Okay, there is a mix now. It's a mix. So therefore, you don't know whether this technology will bring how the technology will be in the future, because now it has some benefits here, and this one is some disadvantage here. So in the future, how the condition of the technology. So the third paragraph you write clearly there exists advantage and disadvantage. This create uncertainty. This is the main part. Okay, we don't know how is the condition, uncertainty. Therefore, this research intend to study the future trend and of metaverse thing. So you can not future trend, you can write it as future image now. Okay, I change here. Let me change. You can follow this method of writing. Okay, but you can always discuss with your supervisor. They have their own method to write the thing. Okay. So this how you write problem statement here. Okay. And then for research question, for research question, you exactly follow this one. Research question and objective, all of you, 10 of you will follow this one. Okay, what are the issues, challenges and trends uh, of your title? What are the issues, challenges and trend of, and you write your title. Okay, here maybe you write your, maybe your title is automation in manufacturing. You write here what are the issues, challenges and trends of intelligent automation in manufacturing. The rest is all you follow. Okay, first all of you will write this one until here, and then the highlighted part is your title. Another one is what are the key drivers and what is the future image. Exactly follow like this, all of you, 10 of you, 10 students. Research scope, you discuss with your supervisor where you will do this research. Okay, you can read the scope here. Research scope, limited industry related to education, or where who is the targeted respondent here. Research methodology, all of you are same, so you can copy this one and paste it there, but write it according to your title. This study adopts both qualitative and quantitative method. Okay, this is okay, you can copy this one. In the quantitative method, foresight analysis approach known as are used. Okay, second sentence is okay. By referring to foresight methodology and processes, the following research, the research identify driving all these things, okay, of the future image or scenario, and develop the option of the future. You can always discuss with your supervisor, but this is okay. And then you write here your title here, metaverse of. Maybe you can improve the sentence here. This is my student, right? Still some improvement needed, but overall this is the methodology. What is TP, all these things, don't worry. Okay, I already arranged the lecturers for you to guide you. Okay, so these are the what you call the proposal draft. I will send you after the class. I immediately will send you one sample. This you can follow this. Okay, any questions so far? Of course, after that references. Okay, references here. Anything you want to ask regarding the proposal here? Anything? Your proposal will be a proposal defense. Most probably will be online. Okay, I yet to tell your supervisors. Okay, suppose we have to go visit. We have to make a visit to KL for MIT. There's a office there. Okay, there's one department there. But then due to some date issue, we cannot do that. So we will have an online thing. So your proposal defense will be online. I will inform. Okay, I will inform your supervisors. Don't worry. They are still celebrating Raya, so I cannot disturb them this week. Next week I will inform them, and any update related to MIT, I will update in the group. Okay, when I update in the group, your group, you don't call your other friends from the normal PSM group. Whatever I updated in the group is only for you. Any information is only for my student. Anything related you need to join their class, I will inform you. Okay, this is regarding the first document you need to prepare, which is a proposal, draft of proposal defense. Maybe you have done with your supervisor, or you are still doing. Maybe I will send this for your references. Okay, now normally for proposal defense, for my student, you will be given a talk. You will be given a talk by the panels from MIT. Okay, the officers from MIT. Dia orang akan bagi ceramah lah, seminar untuk you, apa tu MIT, what is the thing, all these things they will give you. At the same time, I also will prepare classes for you. Okay, classes like a normal PSM. Baru-baru ni you orang dah join Dr. Hafiza punya kelas chapter 1. Sebenarnya itu adalah untuk normal PSM, tapi tak apa, you join pun tak apa, sebab ada similarity, ada kesamaan. Okay, dekat tu. But then for you, I will share now the chapter 1 introduction for MIT. Let me share here in the group. Okay, saya dah share dalam group, you boleh tengok. Might PSM 1 Might Chapter 1 Introduction penceramah adalah Dr. Ita 10 April. Okay, during our class time. During our class time 2 to 4. Venue, tempat nanti saya akan update bila. Boleh dapat tak dalam WhatsApp? Semua nampak? Dapat ke?
Dapat.
Okay. Now, at the same time, pada masa yang sama, dia ada satu lagi kelas untuk normal PSM. Yang itu you tak payah join. Okay, kelas Encik Zahir. Itu adalah chapter 2 literature. Itu tak ada kena-mengena dengan you. Jangan join kelas tu. Faham You akan join kelas ini saja, Dr. Ita punya. 10 orang akan join pada tarikh ini, 10 April ni, you akan join Dr. Ita punya kelas. Encik Zahir punya kelas tak perlu join. Itu tak perlu. Untuk you, saya akan sediakan satu lagi kelas lain. Okay, so time to time, saya akan update macam ni. Saya tak nak sebut semualah. Ada banyak kelas. Okay, ada beberapa kelas. Kalau saya sebut sekarang, you orang mesti confused. Yang mana nak masuk, you tak nak masuk. Okay, so for the time being, you orang join dalam ni. Dr. Ita punya kelas. Encik Zahir punya kelas tak perlu join. Faham Jangan nanti tanya saya kena join tu ke, ini ke, itu ke. Clear? Clear. Let me remind again. Let me repeat again. Join Dr. Ita punya kelas 10 hari bulan. Bukan Encik Zahir punya kelas. Encik Zahir punya kelas untuk normal PSM student. Literature review. Right, clear? Clear. I hope everybody is clear. Saya nanti akan share video ni dalam YouTube juga. Okay. Apa update tentang kelas saya akan update dalam group. Okay, don't worry. You will have many classes before semester break. After semester break, I think there won't be any class. I try to have no class because after semester break tinggal 2 minggu saja untuk you buat. So saya harapkan semua PSM student akan buat dia punya chapter 1, 2, 3 sebelum semester break dan in between semester break lah, sebab supaya dah habis dalam 2 minggu tu dia boleh datang jumpa supervisor dia, bincang apa yang diperlukan, apa-apa whatever correction need to be done. Okay, so you have ample of time. Okay, saya cuba habiskan sebelum semester break minggu ke-8. Okay, that is regarding ni. Nanti saya juga akan share macam ni dalam normal group. Okay, normal group tu Encik Zahir punya kelas. Saya akan share macam info macam ni di JPT PSM punya group. Tapi yang itu untuk orang lain, bukan untuk you. You follow yang ni saja. Okay, alright. Itu clear, I guess. Now, as I told you earlier, penceramah dari panel daripada MIT akan bagi ceramah tentang MIT. Lepas tu baru you akan bentang you punya title based on this. But then this document here based on UTSM, pihak MIT juga bagi satu lagi dokumen di mana you all kena isi lah. Okay, saya share sekarang. Can you guys see this document here?
Can, sir.
Okay. So this one, pihak might nak you orang isi. Jangan risau. Don't worry when it is something ni. Just go through this one. Okay. Okay. Ini contoh saya dah bagi dekat situ. Dia orang dah bagi contoh. Okay. Contohnya katakan title adalah energy consumerism. Energy consumerism. Katakan title adalah, dekat sini dia bagi tahu energy consumerism, tapi you punya title you boleh letak sini. Okay. Dekat sini you kena isilah yang dia tanya objective and outcome. What do you want achieve? So yang objective dan outcome ni you tulis you punya 3 objective tu to identify. Remember yang 3 objektif kajian. Research objective saya letak 3 kan. You boleh tulis kat sini. Domain exposure, what is your focus coverage initiative? You punya domain adalah katakan you nak buat dekat education kan, so energy so katakan you nak buat dalam, contohnya you punya apa, automation, you punya teknologi automation in tulis dekat sini, automation in which area, manufacturing ke something like that. Okay, contoh dia ada bagi dekat sini yang warna merah adalah contoh. Isi sebanyak mana yang you boleh isi. Time horizon tadi saya dah bagi tahu. Tadi saya dah bagi tahu dalam problem statement, kita ada kebaikan, kita ada keburukan, dan in future macam mana teknologi tu kan. Bila saya cakap in future tu tahun ke berapa tu, dekat sini dia tulis 2030. So biasanya dia tahun tu 10 atau 15 tahun. Nanti saya akan confirm lah. Kita yang ni masih ada masa untuk buat, jangan risau. Nanti saya akan cuba buat satu dengan student saya akan share. You can see, you can also discuss with your supervisor, don't worry. Territorial scope, dia yang ni macam kita punya draft lah, draft proposal tu. Tapi memandangkan panel PSM, panel might nak buat yang ni, dia nak tengok. Cubalah. Scope adalah dekat mana you nak buat, and beneficiary who will benefit. Okay, all these things you can write here. Kalau tak ada lah. Kalau tak ada orang nak benefit, biasanya kita tulis je siapa akan benefit. Kalau you nak buat dekat manufacturing sector, tulislah SME in manufacturing. Kalau you nak buat dekat education, tulis dekat sini schools and university, siapa akan benefit. Lepas tu literature review ni adalah chapter 2. Okay, memandangkan kita tak pergi lagi chapter 2 sebab panel penceramah dari UTSM nanti chapter 2 Dr. Karimah akan bagi, chapter 3 metodologi saya akan bagi. So yang ni semua belum lagi, tapi tak apa, tulis dulu sebab you punya supervisor semua dah tahu dah apa dah tulis, dia orang dah ada dah. Sebelum ni PSM, student PSM dah ada. Horizon scanning and issues, trend and stability, literature review, you follow. Okay, you follow apa yang ditulis dekat sini. For example, dia dah bagi energy consumerism. And then methodology biasanya sama untuk semua orang. Metodologi biasanya sama. Nanti saya akan buat satu contoh, ataupun you boleh nak discuss dengan supervisor pun boleh. Saya akan bagi satu contoh, you isi dulu. Salah tak apa, isi dulu. So nanti dia akan bagi komen juga. Nanti panel might, okay, dia akan bagi komen. So you kena isi dua perkara. Satu proposal daripada UTSM yang tadi saya tunjuk. Satu lagi ini dipanggil thinking, PSM thinking form. Nanti saya share PSM thinking form untuk 1, 2 dan 3 yang ini. Okey, untuk ni. Jadi dua perkara ni you orang isi, and then prepare lah. Of course bila you presentation tu you kena buat slide presentation. Untuk thinking form ni tak perlu buat slide. Okey, yang thinking form yang ni tak perlu buat. Yang proposal draft tu kena buat slide lah. Masa nak present tu kena buat slide. Jangan present daripada paper, proposal paper tu nanti you akan hantar upload dalam author. Macam mana pun you kena buat slide. Jadi inilah perkara saya nak share dengan you sebenarnya untuk proposal. Okay, dua perkara ni you kena buat. Okay, at the same time 10 hari bulan lagi ada 7 hari Dr. Ita akan bagi talk on chapter 1. Dia juga akan sentuh tentang proposal. Aku rasa tak silap saya, sebenarnya proposal ni more on chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1. So bila dia dah bagi tahu chapter 1 tu, you orang lagi ada you are more confident on what to write in the proposal. Okay, so perkara ni you kena buat dua ni, and then beberapa kelas akan ada dari situ. Time to time saya akan update kelas mana you kena join, kelas mana you tak perlu join. Okay, bila saya update dengan you, dengan untuk you sajalah 10 orang. Jangan pergi bagi tahu orang lain yang you tak perlu masuk semua, untuk student mic saja. Alright, saya rasa itu saja kot saya nak share dengan you all. Sebab saya ingatkan benda ni penting, sebab nanti saya tak cukup masa. Next week saya nak start, dan nak start week face to face supaya kelas akan berjalan. Alright, so this is the last week of online supaya you boleh prepare the thing lah, all these things. Any other questions so far? Anything you want to ask? Ingat untuk proposal defense ni tak ada markup. You just present your title. The panel want to see whether your title is suitable or not. They will give some comment. You do the correction. and then only PSM later in May or June something like that. I think June, I guess. You will have minggu ke-14 you akan ada seminar presentation, seminar PSM1 yang you akan present lah in front of panel. Itu lain lah, itu ada permarkahan, itu ada markah. Okay. Saya rasa itu saja. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan boleh tanya saya. Apa-apa. You orang dah start ke buat proposal defense ni?
Dah.
Bagus. Kalau dah tu bagus. Any questions so far you want to ask me? Anything? Kalau tak ada nanti boleh WhatsApp juga dalam group untuk tanya. Saya rasa itu saja. Apa-apa lagi, apa-apa tentang maklumat tentang mic ni nanti saya akan update dalam group. Okay. So far what you guys have to do, prepare this one and get saya akan remind kelas Dr. Ita tu tentang tempat tu saya kena cari. Okay, so saya akan cari tempat tu dekat mana. Nanti saya akan update juga. Okay, itu saja. Thank you very much.